Namaskar, welcome to Rasoi Ki Pashala. Today I will show you how to milk out of soya bean. Preparing soya bean milk is very easy. So let's begin. To make soya milk, we need soya bean seeds, which I have taken 1.5 cups of or approximately 300 grams. You must first wash and clean the beans before soaking them in water for 10 to 12 hours. These are the soaked beans that were soaked for 10 to 12 hours. Put all the beans in a mixture grinder and grind them finely. Add as much water as required as per the quantity of soya beans. A very finely grinded paste is ready. Take it out and pour it into a clean utensil. If you need more liquid, you can add water. In general, who should drink soya milk? People who don't like drinking animal milk or have any problems, as well as children with lactose intolerance, can drink this soya milk. Now I have taken clean muslin cloth, so we will going squeeze the milk slowly, pour it and very carefully like this way. So our soya milk is ready, looks fresh and clean, and the leftover pulp can be used to make savory Indian pancakes or mixed with flour. At this point, you can either boil it for instant drink such as milk or save it for at least a week. So I will show you how to boil the soya milk. On the gas, keep a low flame and keep stirring it. Take the spoon all the way to the bottom of the pan so the soya bean particles don't settle bottom and get burned. If the milk got burned, it could not taste good. Now that milk has started boiling. If you don't like drinking plain soya milk, you can add flavors such as a jaggery powder, dates, and a pinch of cinnamon powder. Here I'm adding cinnamon powder. So give a quick boil. Now I'm going to turn off gas. This is my finished soya milk. If you enjoy it, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to comment and let me know how much you like it. Until now, bye bye. Enjoy. Stay healthy, keep smiling.